Hello traders, and I was at my screens just for an hour or so today, despite the fact it was my day off and I got a little bit more sunburnt. And I did a couple of trades. I took the, well, not the low, but I've got just above 102 here in the US dollar yen. I think it's US dollar yen could pop. Here we are on the 4 hour, massive support at 101.85. So I tucked my stop underneath that 101.85 and gonna see if we can just edge up and close above 102.50 to see if we can spring up to 103.80. Retest of that star you can see up here from the 3rd of April. The other trade I did was oil. I did quite well out of oil's been nice recently. Not a great daily close, I have to say, but look at the 4 hour. I'm in the June contract on this. So I happened to see just a retest of the 99. So with my 6-point spread, you can see I got in just on the round number. It's currently sitting just above this 99.40 area here, but I'm looking for at least 102 and possibly a retest of 105 on the oil. Of course, if we there's a lot of selling. All tests of the 50 EMA at the moment are selling. And today is no exception. We ran up to 130 and sold right down just on the 99. So we've got a lot to do, a lot to prove, and that is not a great close, like I said. So I'll see how we go on that one. And let's have a look at what's happened to the Dow. We got 45 minutes till the close. So this 4 hour here on the left, we touched, at the beginning of last week, we came just under the 4 hour 200 to this support, and this Monday we opened at the cash session at 16,380 and we're currently 16,530 plus. So something of a hangman bar there. So I would still expect a downdraft tomorrow. If we close like that and we see 430 there, I would buy that. Depends where we close though. I need to see where we actually close. And what else we got? The gold. I talked about the gold yesterday. That's not pulled back. That's just continued from Friday, so there's no pullback in that, and I'll explain why I think that there's no pullback when I do the recording for the best setups at the moment, which nobody turned up to the webinar. I don't blame you. It's it's a long weekend. It's Monday, etc. So I'll record that separately and send that out in the next 24 hours. The other pairs I'm very interested in the CAD. I think the CAD has bottomed and I think the CAD is going to play catch up. So tomorrow I'm going to put an order out for 93 on the CAD yen. That's a hammer on the 50 EMA. A lot of congestion, I just think the CAD data we're looking at this week is projected to be good. I think the CAD could be about to come out of the doldrums here. Nice push up from mid-March into early April, and I think we're getting set for another leg up, possibly to 95. I mean, let's just see what happens, but I want to get a lower entry, and if it starts to work I will add to that position and try and build a position in that one, and I'll talk to you about that as that CAD yen unfolds. Otherwise, the pound yen, I think we could be seeing the early phase of some nervousness about the independence vote coming up in the autumn. So I will be very cautious of that one. It's just 173 on Friday was sold into, and that is not, unless we get a big spring up in the Asian session just before that bar closes. That is not great. And I think potentially that pound could at least come back to 167, if not 166, but we'll see. At the moment it's holding. The 4 hour is still a bullish consolidation, so let's take that as we are. Euro, I'm just not touching it. Don't like it. Euro yen, yeah, struggling, but looks as if that certainly the lows got bought today. We start closing above 141.70, and of course 142. That's big. That's big news. That could send that scurrying up. Pound Aussie dollar is just not doing it. I'm still. There's not. I don't know where my alert's gone, but I should have an alert for 180 on that. I'm going to put an alert for 180.50, but I would like lower than that. Okay, and so we've looked at oil. Coffee is high. I will get better. I have got better charts than these for the commodities. I will switch to those when I do commodity analysis. Wheat, nice move up to 740. If we close that gap, 716, that could see that push higher. And the corn is above 507. Okay, stocks. Still in Netflix. That's holding up well, so I'm going to get my stop at. In fact, my stop is already at 3344, so I'm going to hold my stop. Still in Tesla. Tesla has results on Wednesday, so I'm going to ramp my stop up on that one. And that's all I'm in at the moment. FCX, that's a shame. Struggling at the moment, but it's got a habit of running up, consolidating, and then going another leg. It may want to come back to 34 there. Dry ship's not doing a lot. Diamond offshore, I'm not in these. Ooh, profit taking. I will watch out for a nice pullback on that one. Rider. So let's look at Facebook. Where's Facebook? No, let's go to Whole Foods. Wow, that's a nice short. Right, okay. Let's leave it there for now. I'm going to do some scanning tomorrow at 10 for the stock club. So I'll talk to you then. Okay, thanks, bye.